Hey guys, so back again with another video, and this is going to be a short tip video. So now I'm thinking I will be doing some short tips video of about 1 to 3 minutes, probably once or twice each and every week. So yeah, let's continue with this video. So recently, while I was doing my research, I got this niche caught my attention. This appeared in front of my eyes, and this is some really crazy BSR, man. You can see here these are just arrived on September 26th. All of the September 27th. These are actually sponsored. That means the people are running ad for these results. You can see sponsored. So this guy, though they are sponsoring, they are putting ad. They just came with this design on Amazon yesterday, and today they have already got 40,000 BSR. Means they have already sold 30 at least for this design for this shirt. And also you can see here these two design, man, really crazy. These have 5,000 BSR and 5,000 BSR, means they are selling 100 shirt in one single day at least. These two designs are being sold 100 times in a single day. I'm not making a lie here. This is obviously possible, and you can see in front of my screen this already doing. But step back. This is not always going to be the right thing for your merch from Amazon, and I'm going to now tell you why. Though I have seen this yesterday, I haven't been brave enough to enter this niche because this is something that seems to be okay for you in a naked eye. Means when you do the trademark research on TM Hunt, you probably see this is okay. I mean, this don't have a trademark phrase that is thing while it's the phrase says thing while it's still legal. So let me type it here. You can see it's not it doesn't have any trademark phrase, and when you Google it, let's see what it brings. So it brings the something related to Rihanna mixed. So yes, let me mention why this became a trend, where this came from. So there's a celebrity called Rihanna, that is a singer actually. She wore this design yesterday during one of her outing in front of media. So that's why this design triggered, and it got viral. So let me show you more here. Here you can see the celebrity, and she's wearing this shirt. So whenever a celebrity is wearing a shirt, mark my word, that is something actually owned by a third party company or third party LLC. So this design is particularly owned by a company called Vetements Luxury Streetwear. So they own this design, and also something very crucial, they are selling this shirt at about above $100. That means they are saying that they are selling this shirt around $350, and you're trying to sell it on Amazon for around like just $20 or $18. So you know what are you doing? You're doing a crime. You're just selling others design at a very lower price, and if they found it on your Amazon, they will surely take some legal actions against you, and you're going to be in trouble. So these guys, though they are selling a good amount, it's just a short-term success. They are just sacrificing their long-term success, long-term opportunity in Amazon, and for a short-term success, and probably for just 500 or $600. So don't do this, guys. That's why I always try to tell you guys to do precise trademark research for your design. Don't just go with something that seems to be okay on your naked eye. Like just do the TM Hunt search and Google search. That is not enough. Sometimes if something is really selling really crazy with just a shorter period of time, there might be something wrong. So just do precise research about trademark and then decide to go into the niche. So this is the reason I haven't entered this niche, because I don't want to sacrifice my more long-term merch game for this short-term success. So this is one of my tips. And also, be creative, happy merch. Goodbye, see you on the next video.